Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. For the end of the Christmas season, I've set an elegant Three Kings Epiphany Tablescape. I'm using china by Royal Albert, a color scheme of rich jewel tones with Regal accents fit for a king. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a rich gold damask tablecloth that I bought years ago, I believe at Target, and I've layered on top this beautiful antique scarf. It has black and gold and a chinoiserie design. I'm also using my gold chargers. I got these from Amazon. They're kind of my favorite at the moment. And for the china, I'm using Royal Albert Old Country Roses. And the dinner plates. And I'm also using the salad plates. And I'm going to use my custard dishes, and I've placed a pomegranate in each custard dish. What fruit is more regal than pomegranates? For the flatware, I'm going to be using my gold flatware along with my crystal knife rest. For my stemware today, I'm going to be using these lovely hortensia glasses. They're from Poland, and I have a set of them. They're each a different jewel tone color. I'm also going to use these ruby red etched glasses. And finally, I have this lovely pattern. They are actually vintage barware. I found them in an estate sale. Cranberry with a gold design. They make me think of stained glass windows. And for the dinner napkins, I'm using my gold Fern Fry napkin rings along with my damask gold napkins. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know I love excess, elegance and excess. And this table really hits the mark for me. It was fun to set. I just love all these regal accents. We'll start here in the center. I have my collection of crowns. The one here, I lined and added the fringe. In fact, none of these crowns had a lining to them. This one here, I've also lined it and added a fringe. It's on sort of a stand, these two taller ones are. And then here at the bottom, I've got another one that I've lined. I think those look really regal. They go around my treescape, around my nativity tree. And here on each side, I've got a pair of French, these are altar candelabras, and they normally would hold candles, but I've put these green votives in them. I don't know if any of you other folks remember the home interior line, but these are from the late 70s, early 80s, and I love these. I've got lots of the ruby ones that are in my altar candlesticks upstairs, but I found this pair last year and I thought I would bring them and use them on the table. And also I've mixed in my wise men. We've got to have our Three Kings, and they've got their frankincense some gold and myrrh. I picked up this set of Wise Men years ago, of all places, in Hobby Lobby, and they're so beautiful. I set them along with my nativity sets underneath my nativity tree. I've also here out at the ends put a pair of lusters to add a little more regal touch. This particular pair, they have sort of a crowned effect around the top, and I've just set pineapples in them. I do not condone using lusters for flour or fruit or as containers. They are too precious, but I made an exception. But that pair, like I said, I keep in the den, and I think those are really pretty. I think I got those year before last. Here I've also got another really pretty crown that I've learned. I always pick up crowns whenever I see them and add to my collection. I've got a chest here, maybe for the gold. And I've also brought down my camels. These are bronze candlesticks or candle bases, and I've put red pillar candles in them. I think those are perfect to have the camels with the magi. I've got the coffee pot and the teapot here on a gold tray that match the Royal Albert Old Country Roses. Along here, entwined among everything, I've got some berry vines. These are sort of like holly berry vines, and I've just entwined those around everything. Here are my gold salt and pepper shakers. And I have these little trifolds that have Mary and baby Jesus on them. They have a name, but it escapes me at the moment. I have a collection of those, and I've put those around on the table too. Here's another camel. I've got the gravy boat here that's in the Old Country Roses. The Old Country Roses I've had for probably around 25 years, I guess. It was one of the first really elegant sets of china that I purchased, and it's a classic. I've got a lot of vintage china, but you just can't hardly beat the colors of the Old Country Roses. It's so colorful. The colors are so jewel tone and rich with the roses and the gold and the reds. I think it's so pretty. Here's another luster. And here's the ruby glass. And this is a tidbit tray that also matches the pattern. I've got a little cover dish here. I'm not sure what this piece is, but it makes me think of a scepter, and it looked regal, so I brought it to the table too. I've got a small little silent butler here. It has a gold design for dusting out your crumbs. And here you can see the fringes better on my crowns. And I'll keep a lookout. As I see crowns, I buy them. I'll add them to my collection. I actually have several more that wouldn't fit on the table today. Here I've got a sugar and creamer that are Old Country Roses. And at this end, I've set a cake stand that has a gold rim, and I've set a dome or cloche here on the top. so many people are in a rush to take their Christmas down. Here in America, we start too early the minute Halloween is over, and everything is taken down quickly after Christmas. But for my Catholic friends, they celebrate the Epiphany, and also in Europe, I believe it's called Three Kings Night. They celebrate that, and they don't pull their Christmas down. They keep it up until January the 6th. So I'm definitely on board for that. I like to enjoy my Christmas as long as I can. And I think it's such a lovely thought to think about the wise men traveling from the east to see baby Jesus. What a wonderful thing to have been there after his birth, to have seen him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below and share it with a friend. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye now.